Hi guys. Hello everybody. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hello everyone. Hi guys.
Welcome back to my channel. I started my YouTube journey along with my blog last year as a part of my side hustle. I wrote multiple blog posts and created over 70 videos to share my stories with you guys, and I loved the experience. It's one of the best things that I've ever done in my life. And I truly believe that having a side hustle is an amazing thing, and nothing in this world should stop you from having that experience in your life. So if you are planning to start your side hustle but don't exactly know where to begin, then this video is made just for you. Because in this video, I'm going to share everything that you need to know before you start your side hustle. I'm going to share things that I learned from my own experience and own mistakes. So yeah, I'm very excited to share them with you guys. Let's get started. So the first step is also the most crucial step, and that is picking the right side hustle for yourself. All you need to do for this step is grabbing a notebook and a pen and answering a bunch of questions. Make sure that you have enough time in your hand, you are going through the questions very carefully, and you are answering them honestly, because these answers will lead you to the side hustle that's perfect for you. So the first question that you need to answer is, what are the things that you enjoy doing the most? Because while you start your side hustle, it should be something that you really love doing, that you are passionate about. And while answering this question, list down everything that you enjoy doing. If it's sleeping, if it's cooking, if it's talking to your friends. I mean, it may sound a little crazy in the beginning, but trust me, this will lead you to the right answer. So honestly, write down everything that you enjoy doing, that you won't be tired of doing ever in your life. And from the list of things that you enjoy doing, pick the things that you are really good at, because then your side hustle journey will become a lot more easier. Finally, you need to answer a bunch of questions that will give you a lot more clarity. How much time you can dedicate every day for your side hustle? Should it be something that you do online, or can you work offline? What kind of money you are planning to make out of it, and how much are you planning to invest in your side hustle business? All these questions will give you the clarity that you need. And don't worry, I have included all these questions in a workbook that I have designed for you guys. So you can download that from the link that I will provide in the description box down below. Once you complete the exercise, I'm sure you are going to get the exact answer, and you're going to find the perfect side hustle for yourself. So once you have picked your side hustle, you need to start working hard, and you need to create a perfect routine for yourself. By working on your side hustle, you don't have a boss to tell you what to do. You pretty much become your own boss. And in a situation like this, it's very easy to get distracted, to lose the focus. But if you don't want that to happen, and if you want your side hustle to work perfectly, then it's very important to have a routine, a plan, and stick to that. If you are working on your side hustle along with your day job, then make sure that you have a dedicated time to work on your side hustle, and avoid distraction in that time as much as possible, because you have very limited time in your hand and you want to utilize that as much as possible. Another thing that is very important is setting realistic and smart goals for your side hustle. You can have big dreams and ambition when it comes to your side hustle, but setting practical goals for it is very important, because you will definitely have a lot of other commitments to deal with along with your side hustle, and if you are not being able to fulfill all those goals, then you may end up feeling desperate and depressed. So try to set very practical and realistic goals, and then do everything that it takes to fulfill them. For me personally, I believe in setting action-based goals rather than having result-based goals. So for example, I never tell myself that I have to get 100 subscribers in a month, because that is something that I cannot control. I always set goals like I will post 6 to 8 videos this month, because that is something that I can control. And once you set your goals, write down everything that you need to do to achieve those goals. And after you do that, incorporate those things in your monthly, weekly, and daily to-do list, and in this way you will achieve your goals without feeling too overwhelmed. In the beginning of your side hustle, in most of the cases, you will have to make some kind of basic investments. You will probably have to buy some equipment, you will probably have to buy some space or some website, or you will probably invest in some course to improve your skills. For that, having a budget is very important. Before you start your side hustle, make a list of things that you must have before you start. These are the basic things that you need, and you have to arrange for those things or buy those things before you start your side hustle. There will be also a list of things that you probably will buy later on to improve your side hustle journey. Now, once you have that list, make a plan to set aside some money from your savings every month to buy those things. In this way, you will be able to improvise and buy the better gadgets, better equipments without burning a hole in your pocket and also improving your side hustle. Your side hustle is your passion project. It is something that you enjoy doing. But if you want it to become a huge success and if you want to stand out in the crowd, it is very important to do things differently and to improvise your skills. And for that, you have to keep learning. You don't have to invest in paid courses in the beginning. Try to utilize all the free resources that are available on Google or YouTube. All you need to do is investing some time and learning them properly and applying them in your own side hustle. Also, if possible, find yourself a mentor. I did that and I realized it made a huge difference in my side hustle journey. A mentor is someone who is already experienced. So that person helps you to understand your mistakes and finally guides you towards the right direction. And lastly, start off with a lot of patience and just remember, it's not going to be very easy. Your side hustle may not become an overnight success story. It may take a year or even more than that. But don't think of giving up. Just remind yourself why you started, keep working hard, keep doing a lot of experiments, and someday it's going to be successful and you are going to be proud of it for the rest of your life. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. I hope you have found it helpful and you have enjoyed the video. I will be back with another video super soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.